everyone, welcome to Vaishya Makeup YouTube channel, and today we are going to review some K Beauty primer, the color correcting primer. I have 5 variants in this which has been sent to me by the brand, but that doesn't mean that my review is not going to be honest. So I always talk about how important primers are. Like, if you have joined my makeup workshop, then you must be knowing how much I emphasize on primer. They not only give you a flawless canvas, but you use less of your makeup. You will have less layer of foundation, concealer, etc. if you use a primer before applying foundation. So we have like 5 primers. So those of you who don't know how to use this primer and how good are these primer or what is the drawback of these primer, then keep watching this video. These primers are infused with light diffusing technology and they are made as per your skin concern. So for example, if you want to cover redness, then you should use this green color correcting primer. If you have dark pigmentation or very dark circles, then you should use the orange color corrector, and this basically helps in covering pigmentation. Then we have this yellow color corrector which basically covers dullness. So if you want brightness in your in your skin, on your skin, then you should use this one. Then let's come to this one which basically covers uneven skin tone. And then you have this cover paleness, this lavender one, this purple one, this covers paleness. Now you can buy as per your skin type. The best thing about is that you can use them often. For example, you can use them on daily basis also, because it is very hydrating. It will conceal out your problem and it will give you a flawless face without putting on a lot of foundation on coverage on your. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these 2 primer. One to cover pigmentation, the orange color corrector, and another to give glow to my skin. Alright, so I'm going to use this one. You can directly use these primer because they come in a tube form, so it's very easy to use them. And I'm going to use this peach one or rest of my face. Alright, like that. So I'm going to take out my Vichy Precise Blender to blend this out. I use this part to cover the dark circles, and whenever you use, whenever you blend your primer with the blender, what happens is that even when you apply the foundation, the primer and foundation get mixed and they give you a perfect flawless base. So try that trick out. So first I'm going to use the primer and blend my primer like this part, the redness. So it doesn't look very thick, you doubt it because it's very thick, so how will it cover pigmentation? But honestly, it covered mine. If you have deep dark circles, then you need to try it out and check, because like it won't stick on your face. It's very hydrating. It's a primer, so it's not going to really correct your dark circle. You will definitely need a color corrector, but if you think about using it on everyday basis, then it's a good thing because it's hydrating and you do not have to add the other color corrector on it. It will hide that somewhat of your problem if you have deep dark circles. If you do not have deep dark circles and you're looking for brightness and little bit of coverage, then this is a good thing. Now I'm going to spread this peach one all over my face. Its consistency is very nice, so you can use it like a thin cream. It's not greasy, it won't clog your pores, so I like that. And that is why I like using, honestly I don't use primer every day, but this is something which I can use every day. I know that it is not going to affect my skin and it doesn't make you feel greasy, so that's the best part about it. So I'm going to just let it stay for like few seconds and then apply my foundation. Overboard with my makeup because I was just experimenting and playing around with colors. And let's come to the experience, the review part. So I've applied this 2-3 times, and I would say that for hydration, for a little bit of primer and little bit of correctness, this is a good product to invest in, especially for everyday use. But if I talk about the glow part, so if you're looking for dewy good glow, you're not going to get that from these products. From this yellow peach corrector, I didn't see that dewiness. I saw little bit of brightness. And color correcting also, there was like little bit of color correcting. For intense color correcting, this will not be there, because mind you, this is a primer, it is not a color corrector. So make your purchase accordingly and enjoy. I'll see you again. Bye.